Congratulations, Joel and Joy. And now, Joel. Ganun-ganun ka konti. Basa-basain mo muna yung lips mo. Yan. Joel, you may now kiss the bride. Gawin mo yan romantically, ha? Romantically. Wow! Okay, once again, congratulations. And that's the end of the ceremony. Next 6 pictorial.